In primetime news this evening, how come JPS summoned to explain high bills? Recounting the horror, caretaker tells the tale of the gunfight at Horizon Park last Friday. Remembering the fallen, Parliament pays tribute to 2 policemen killed in the line of duty.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience with your JPS bill recently?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.